Hello, it's me Findo Findlater. I'm Andrew Findlater. Hoco me Isle of Tiree, ach nish, ha me a furach Ilna Glasacho, colony moven Eilach. I went through Gaelic Medium Education from the age of 5. My parents never spoke the language, but always encouraged me to learn. Regrettably, I stopped speaking Gaelic during my teenage years, and subsequently lacked the confidence to speak it. Be me a clúich na drumichin el Sachaline Trail West, we are a West Coast style ceilidh band. He creach an tuil ach marry girl is kill. We've played to audiences around the world. There's no better feeling than being with your pals playing music on a stage. And you're in beicht your kell bell. It's till my via kochgerach. It's a chance to be creative and to indulge. I like to try out different dishes. Greek style chicken is one of my favourites. Aye, blast it, even though I say so myself. Be me a clúich golf. It's a great way to enjoy the beauty of Scotland. Hole in one. Stay left. As I have grown a little older, my appreciation and understanding of the importance of Gaelic is much greater. I take pride in speaking to my bandmates in Gaelic at every opportunity. Clerci no Cari, and that's very true.